Nagbibideo na naman.
Ano mag-birthday yun?
Nagbibideo pala naman.
Hello. Kapila dito may birthday yun.
Yung si ano.
Ayan, mag-birthday yun. Happy birthday. Saan? Ayan o. Dito, mga section niya. Diyan po. Ayo. Dati na. Hello. Ayan na to. Oh, may pasakayaw mo pala dyan, oh. Yan. Oh, dalawa. Yung dalawa. Oh. Happy birthday, ah. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Ayan, oh. Ayan siya. So yun po, dito lang po tayo sa ating may birthday. Birthday po ito ng anak ni Abby. Abby po, may birthday yung anak niya. 1 year old. So yun po, ang daming tao. So yun, medyo maganda po ang ating ano dito, magandang may mga gayak ang ating birthdayhan. 1 year old po ang birthday po ng anak ni po Abby. Tingnan nyo, maganda Okay, shout out po dyan sa inyong lahat. Shout out po sa ating mga friends po. Okay, ayan, dito na po. Okay.
Video tayo. Let's feel the presence of the Lord our God. Let's bless the food that we're about to receive. Let's all welcome Ate Ayana to lead us in a short prayer. Here we go.
Yan. So yun po. Birthday celebrant. Ayun, andun.
Thank you so much. You're gonna have your seats, everyone. And now, are you guys hungry? This is our late lunch and early dinner. So what we're gonna be doing now, I'm gonna be calling your table number. Tawagin ko po ang table number nyo. We'll go take a picture here, and then you go to the buffet. Okay? So let's begin our dinner service. Mommy and Daddy is a kind of
Happy, ano? Doon, sa may banda ron. Pila tayo dito. Pila po yan. Doon, may mga serve ron. Kabila.
Table number 6.
Yan. Gimana sih?
Table number 6. Alright.
Okay. So, ayan po, dyan sa kabila. Madilim.
Table number 9 na.
So, punta na tayo sa kainan. Dito na pa yung mga nagkainan natin. Ayan.
Table number 9. Jordan.
Sorry po pala.
Ayan.
And table number 10.
So, ayan. Kainan yan.
We have Diet Chicken, Coffee, and Bakery. Follow them with Instagram and Star. And we have Chicken Entree and Sweet Boy.
Yep. No, no, chicken.
Oh, you
Just
don't
only
want
spring rolls.
Alright.
Okay, thank you. Then my chop seed.
Table number 10, Jordan.
Can I get small rice? That's rice. No, this rice.
All right.
Again, enjoy your dinner.
Wait, wait. Oh yeah. Oh, chicken?
Chicken curry.
Yeah. Yun ang pagkain natin, ano? Yun.
It's only until 6 p.m., so if I were you,
Okay.
grab a coffee.
That's it.
Thank you so much for coming. Party on!
Ano? Kain na siya. Sa akin ba? Pa natin yung
And we have PlayStation. Thank you so much to Miss Brianna. For those kids who want to have some PlayStation, we have over there until 6:30. Yes, after you eat, it's a pleasure for fun. Thank you so much.
so ano, medyo tahimik na kaunti po. Ayan o. Yun. Happy birthday. Ayun. Happy birthday. Dan. Sen. Happy birthday daw. birthday.
I think we are now ready for our program. Now let's call Mommy Abby and Daddy Eric in front of the stage, please. Here we go. Mommy Abby and Daddy Eric. Ayan. Let's begin. Sino may gusto ng prizes? Yung mga kids dyan? Who want some prizes? Okay, so I have 2 questions sa mga kids. If you answer this question, I'll give you okay, the question is, who is celebrating the first birthday today? Raise your hand. Who's celebrating today? Okay. Oh, yeah. Gabriel. Okay, Gabriel, do you know who is celebrating the first birthday today? Do you know the name? Let's shout it out loud. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Dana Mori, yay! And you will be getting a prize. Thank you so much. Next question. If Dana Mori is celebrating the birthday today, how old? Raise your hand. Okay, how old is her mom? Her mom. You thought it's hungry? Me too. Okay, no, just kidding. Okay, how old is Ate Amory today? 1-year-old, yay! You got a prize! Thank you so much. And since we are now hyping up, can we now call Mommy and Daddy Eric in the house? Daddy Eric and Mommy Abby. So now our first game, I need your help, okay? So I need 2 groups with 5 members each group. So I need 5 girls, mga ate, mommy, tita. And then kay Daddy Eric, I need 5 boys, kuya, tito, and daddy. Okay? So find your group now, go! Hanapin nyo sila doon. Hanap ko, go, grab them, and make a 1 line for the girls, and 1 line for the boys. Ayan, 1 line, sila tayo, facing towards me. And then the kids, sit down muna, all kids. Mommy and Daddy, grab your kids. Pag nautog sila, may premyo. Pag dumugong, may $100 sila. So, kuhanin nyo na po bago sila ma-aksidente. Ayan. So, 1 line for the girls and 1 line for the boys. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more for the girls. Here we go. Ayun. 1 line. Nasa yung mga boys. Nasa yung mga. Kuha ka daw mga boys. Kuha ka na. Okay, request ko yung mga nanay at tatay mga kids. Later we have the game. Kasi kapag nag-talk sila.
Palaro daw po, palaro.
Andre, naman.
Okay, alright.
Ayan o, palaro.
Nasa yung mga boys. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 already. Okay, so now this is going to be fun. Okay, so our first game is what we call a basketball game. So before we begin, I'm going to give you your player number, okay? Your player number 1, player number 2, player number 3, player number 4, and player number 5. Ayun. And player number 5. Isa na lang. Ayan. Okay. So now, if I mention your player number, kindly raise your right hand. Okay? Okay, so now 1 point for the boys and 0 for the girls. So again, best of 2. Okay, now you have your exhibition. It's spaghetti going down. Player number 1. Zero ball. Pass number 5. Zero ball. Exhibition. Pass number 1. Zero ball. Exhibition. Pass number 5. Number 5. Exhibition. Pass number 2. Number 2. Exhibition. Pass number 3. Number 3. Zero ball. Pass number 3. Everybody done. Pass number 2. Number 2. Zero ball. Number 4. Number 4. Zero ball. Exhibition. Pass number 2. Number 2. Zero ball. Exhibition. Spaghetti going down. Going up. Pass number 1. Number 1. Zero ball. Exhibition. Pass number 4. Number 4. Zero ball. Exhibition. Pass number 1. Number 1. Zero ball. Pass number 2. Number 2. Zero ball. Pass number 3. Number 3. Zero ball. Pass number 1. Number 1. Zero ball. Pass number 2. Number 2. Zero ball. Pass number 4. Number 4. Zero ball. Pass number 5. Number 5. Zero ball. Pass number 2. Number 2. Shoot that ball. Nakabawi tayo. Yeah! 1-all! O, diba? Ipapush mo kasi. Ayun. So now, final round.
Final round na, final.
Whoever wins this round will be the winner. The winner will be the loser and will be moving on to the next game. Here we go. Player number 2. Number 2. Judges. Sino nanalo? Boys or girls? Five. Boys, girls. And the winner is? According to play VTR. Tayo ba? Meron pa kayo nag-video na yan? Tayo ba i-replay? Hindi ang nanalo? Fruit salad. Okay? Fruit salad tayo, ha? Arms up. Both arms. Put it on your hips. On your waist. So. Pag sinabi ko, apple, point your hips to the right. Apple. 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 Let's begin with this area. Okay. Kuya, ito yung mic. Yes. Okay.
Ito, letter S, letter S.
Okay, ito yung mic. Sabihin mo ha, isa-isa. Ready? Ano yan?
Soft drinks,
Soft drinks.
soda,
2, 3,
socks,
4,
sweaters,
5,
Oh,
6, 7,
7, 8.
9. Okay, for you to beat them, you have to get 10 points. Okay, ready? Sir, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1 point for group 1, 0. Tama kayo, tulungan kayo naman. Okay, ready? Put it back, put it back. Sir, one more time. Here we go. What do we have?
So yun daw sa W naman, W daw. Okay, wala nang sound.
4, 5, 6, 7.
7
So
items.
you have to beat 7, huh? Okay. So next, here we go. Daddy, here we go. What do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we have a winner!
So ano, nanggaling kami dyan dito sa may Elbers Park. Ano, ito maganda. May bulaklak dito maganda oh. Ano, dito kami sa parking. Yan, so yan po, shout out na lang po sa inyo lahat yan, okay? Yan. Dito tayo sa may parking po ng Elbers. Wow. Okay. Elbers Park po yan. Okay. Bye po. Bye.